want to look at, I want to figure out what, before I decide the ratio or the root test, let me figure out what this kind of looks like. Well, there's n on top because n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n's on top. So I have n on top, and then on the bottom, I have 3 to some power, but this is 3 to the 0 power first power, so it's actually 3 to the n minus 1. So, and that's the sum here, n equals 1 to infinity. So by looking at this, I can kind of determine what it is. So I can rewrite this if I want to make it a little bit prettier by starting with n is 0, and then I have n plus 1 on top over 3 to the n. Okay, so when n is 0, 3 to the 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. That's a little bit nicer. So when I have this, it should, right here, it tells me, oh, maybe I should use the root test because I have an nth power. So let's try the root test. And so I'm going to look at the limit as n goes to infinity of the nth root of a to the n, which is the limit as n goes to infinity of the nth root of n plus 1 over 3 to the n, which is the limit as n goes to infinity of the nth root of n plus 1 all over 3. So what can I do with that? I'm not sure. So let's do a little finagling, and I'm going to let y equal this limit I'm looking at. And why? Because I want to get rid of this the exponent. And we've done this before a long time ago. If I want to get rid of the exponent, the best thing to do next is take the natural log of both sides. So that tells me that the natural log of y is the same as the limit as n goes to infinity of the natural log of this thing here. Which gives me, and I really don't need the 3, so I'm just going to look at this because I know the 3 is on the bottom. So let's not look at the 3, let's just look at it this way. I could keep the 3 in, but this makes it a little bit easier. So this is the same as the limit as n goes to infinity of 1 over n times the natural log of n plus 1. And that's, if I rewrite it a little bit, it's the limit as n goes to infinity of the natural log of n plus 1 over n. And the nice thing about this is this goes to 0 because this n grows a lot faster than natural log. So since this grows faster, it's going to go to 0. So this tells me that limit 0, so that tells me the natural log of y is 0. And that tells me that y equals e to the 0 or 1. So now I know, I'm going to look and see here, remember I had that 3, I'm going to look at the limit as n goes to infinity, again, of this whole thing. And that's equal, well, I know the top is 1, right? And then I have 3, so it equals 1/3. So now I know since it's 1/3, it converges because it is less than 1.